Are you struggling to manage multiple tasks efficiently across various Microsoft applications? Out-of-the-box features of Microsoft Copilot are your one-stop solution. Let's explore this briefly in this demo video. Follow John as he navigates a busy workweek, leveraging Copilot in Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Teams to streamline his tasks and increase productivity. Discover how Copilot helps John efficiently manage his emails, draft important documents, create engaging presentations, analyze project data, and stay on top of his meetings. After a busy week, John finally opens his inbox and finds an important client email. To optimize his time, he relies on the Summary by Copilot feature, which provides quick overviews of messages. For responding, John utilizes the Draft with Copilot feature, which aids him in composing replies swiftly by outlining the structure of his response. This streamlined approach not only saves time, but also ensures his replies are concise and effective. By leveraging these tools, John can maintain productivity while delivering prompt and effective client interactions. John leverages Copilot in Word to draft the statement of work (SOW) document efficiently. He utilizes the SOW template as a reference document, ensuring that his work is well structured and easy to understand. Further, John decides to use Copilot in PowerPoint to create a compelling presentation for the upcoming meeting, leveraging the Word document as a reference. This allows him to seamlessly integrate the content from his drafted document into the presentation slides. Before the meeting, John uses Copilot to retrieve the project-related documents through the chat. This allows him to quickly access the necessary information and come prepared to the meeting, saving valuable time. While discussing the project's timeline and budget, John relies on Copilot in Excel to analyze the data. Copilot provides valuable insights accompanied by visualizations, which help clarify the information. Once the meeting is completed, Copilot for Teams extracts the meeting summary, timeline, and action items. This ensures that John and his team have a clear roadmap for the next steps. But that's not all. Using Copilot Studio, you can extend the capabilities of Copilot for Microsoft 365. This empowers you to personalize Copilot experiences, develop custom Copilots, and enhance Copilot's capabilities to meet your unique requirements. It includes connecting Copilot to your CRM, ERP, and finance systems using 1,200+ connectors. With Copilot Studio, you can drive significant ROI through increased productivity and improved decision-making with enhanced data insights while ensuring robust data governance and security. As you have seen, Microsoft Copilot seamlessly integrates across various platforms to enhance productivity, streamline workflows, and deliver exceptional service experiences. Empower your organization to stay ahead in the dynamic business landscape. Feel free to reach us at sales@avasoft.com and learn how Microsoft Copilot can transform your workflow and drive success.